Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, wagwan? Welcome to everyone. All right, so for today or tonight, wherever you're watching it and whatever time it is, yes, may I talk about the scalp. Either you're a male or a female, you need to watch this. Boom bang bang. Guys, it is very important for you to check your scalp. Look at this person now. This is dandruff, yes, and it can go to this degree. We don't want it to go this far. So please, I'm asking you, you need to make sure before you shampoo your hair or shampoo service, you need to check the scalp. It is very important. And dandruff, it comes in stages. All right, also the type of shampoo and how you shampoo your hair, or the lather, or you rinse it out, the flakes and the different types. I'm gonna come with a video and show you the different types. I just want you to share this video, you know, for you guys out there who are shampooing your hair yourself and now shampoo it properly, and the need for check the scalp before adding the shampoo to the hair, or wet damp the hair then add the shampoo. All right, it is very important. Why? You could have a bruise, abrasion on your scalp and you don't even know it, and it can the products can also irritate the scalp and also cause even further damage. You might not believe, but yeah, take it from me. Yes, take it from Nisha, all certified in that area. So guys, I know it's a short clip, but I just wanted to give you that tip because I know tomorrow you might be going to the salon or you'll be doing it yourself. So on this note, thank you very much for watching. See you on Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. If you want to go ahead and leave me a comment regarding this topic or the video I'm that's about right just now, just leave the message and I'll get to you. Bye.